There were Ghana Akoma so wa Akoma 87.9 FM. Mempotemu. A Jordan Kosi Fiada. Yinka Yempotemu Hound Champion for. No one to one among Etishiame. Sir John, Minima Pamfu or Akoma 87.9 FM. Ghana Akoma Jumedia so. Mempotemu.
87.9 Kumasi.
Right. I'm just for you. Say Emma Makwabe be Ohio Akoma 87.9 FM. And I pay driver for no. Mesa Kabio say we are driving in a Utiemia. Zono egusua eguguo enti eya na wato boase e dia mayen why monso a car no enyunu no mon pack ne manfa anya adwuma anya hwe mon pack o ba bi mayen why esremo a na otran bi said de aye no maami so maami sembi ani ho abefro car na afei ena musuo mu kra kuta me umbrella
87.
Sadri was saying, say, one yenisa, Kufi Consunujina and Quentinibia. You're ready to Kunie. Abaniza, where dear?
The come on my somewhat, the camera was grabbing
Umbrella. Yeah. Oh, dear. Chroma, dear, to me, see, and you say, be in the king. Maybe so say no cry, eh? Sakano, eliki. Oh, I say, no, I make a one say, Sano Namo, Ebamobi, Etika Musuna was a quit umbrella. Way. Ubias was way.
I'm a neighbor who down be from Kumasi to tonight. I don't mean good to be there.
Now, won't get umbrella, Nibi.
Why would a man could take?
Name of no be crabby.
You soon have booming.
As any, at the said you could be. Hey, ask some money. Let's say, I had you to drive for me, someone.
Akoma FM.
What the idea? Ocean now car in you know. No, I pack it. Opaki ebeboa opaki ebeboa pa nti paki na wamfa obi ayi na ya me ma video bi se mo se me boa mo hwe video se mo de mo se me boa se mo se me boa me ma mu video sa video na e ka mu aha we mu de na obi ti ka mu na wasi so ma me me de atum. Hey,
Akoma FM.
Hey, everybody, I'm going. Monkafra, more go through Zadia and Ope Monkafra. So say, Rabbi, no, so I say, no be here for you. So, Benya time now. What's you know? What to know for no? Mira.
Yeah.
And what I just say, I be conquer into your home. How much? It's a wow.
Akoma FM.
About the
87.9 Kumasi.
I'm on Cronin every year.
Sir.
So I'm on Cronin every not just any of the Korean council, a German. So they are not paid over hard drink a car.
Oh, okay.
So they are this week and then it's and so no Niagara crowd. And Niagara. Timkas and no China. I'm on contractors. And they in him you no more. I can only find I got idea. Almost the amount in Sunya Pan so do call. A man and a man and a Cassia. It's a quan I'm so many to a movie. Among a year got an area. A maybe a mobi. The best room, a human or more yama. Why? Celebrating to some day. This they said they were saying, why you make a city. I'm ready. So just the medical canon, burn on crumbling,
Akoma FM
and
87.9 Kumasi.
a tick. Now, a kisser, no, so much again. The warm make a crack, let me be a paper and over grammar. You might see a crack. Open means that one. I just want to say, and not an okay. Yeah, late afternoon to the evening. So, the same thing. The anya kumasunku. Dana,
Mirana, Okasa no eba sura ne kofem.
Akoma FM
Emuda hwa na ateko kakra.
so you should have been okay with you.
Okay.
So you get me person me say insuna egu anopayano. Emo non kron na yene kumati. Empathy mo na kete. Mo western region and a half. But no dear. A because we go so jinwa
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
and also Yanshan so. A big mommy and son, and so no tin on Cumbruma. Not as a Apijan. Some people for 32 degrees Celsius. Just a normal in Sakono, the best I expect another one. And also, so you have a trim or Kumasi and then Kitamo. And Jene and watching I said the Macan coping the Memendano. The Uye Bia no Pope, a real and you know, as I saw these returns for a cup.
Akoma FM
Mira, yeah, that's it.
87.9
Mira do tie ku eno no. Ya no asia no so dia mame wai. Pacho. Sami,
Sir John,
hot to say,
yeah.
okay. Ya da nyame ase, nso ye. Se nso no to ho.
Tower
Eguso ho.
Gusuto.
Me so me wa ha.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mame fan chat esema iredi tieku. Na edumaso o ye ba o mind na na de yam ko fon na bi shira no. Na chia wa bigafo ni tin na so.
Yo. Ane and then so no o de fahini.
Okay. So John, in terms of no yeah internet banking and I even your mobile money. I thought that I per se you be idea friend the transaction limit for a day. And it's saying to bank be our limit or the amount or more money or more juma. And if I say me ATM, you bet my limit of 2,000 a day. Means say 2,000 when I'm meeting here. The online transaction is any amount of 5,000 a day. But in payment, yeah, I see how high is required to move you. It looks like 80,000, 70,000. So again, yeah, I didn't I don't know, make a then obviate me a hack or bank account. Now transaction limit, I was so sana. You can't know this way, you know, bit me is here. No more fancy 5,000, fancy 2,000. And your daily transaction limit. And so obey you 2,000. You know what you know who I'm a let about more report to my bank. No, no, no fine. It's on your money in a war, said the boy of mine. Let's say, so ye internet banking or transaction limit there. And my name all come bro 5,000 for a day. In case of a so easy KBR, let's say it's a bank, you know. Maybe says because now say, like she I'll know that say, let's see, I have to bank account. Like you say, it's not a transaction limit. You think I can beyond the younger son, you been here within a day, and the money back. The patron.
Okay. Okay. I see. You're careful.
Yeah, careful, Sir John.
Higher.
Yeah.
Me sure so change me baby so.
I no cray. Yeah, no cray.
Why?
Happy Sir John.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right. Enti eno yes amen so ede no. Okay. Ana am pacho car no mu de no yi mame. Me car bi am beka say car no ebi nie. We Benz in bio. Titi. I was there. I 207 no. Bia. Kumasi ebi da so ewo. Ebi da so areas in bio. Baby amokeka kon aheva.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Moshizongo ne abo ne areas. Okay. 207 no na ya na. Now 207 on the parts ebi da so ho de. Asem bisa na mibisa mpamcho. We nya bone ene we driver ni na we use 207 na we tie mi a ema bufu question na mibisa. Enti we niema ye ka se nso toto na etwa
Akoma
FM
87.9
etodru this point etodru this point na ade achi say eto anadwo na bia anadwo no within and then time hadwin bi around that time na bia nipa dodo na ba no pa bi say enso no tough ahomachene ba bedru sabre ya wo hwe kai ya ka ni nwunu driver ni wonim driver enso anano chabe nano obedi nkomo bia bi enya bone semo amode emfa nchewe no enra ya na jese driver ni bia ni ho at fault no fault o sabi amonam na tire crowd enu de crowd eat me free ba bibia sika ni mu na bia seat bi ni ade he one ya na e common seat where dia chese me se me ko fa ne mabu aha o anopai na ne ma na ko fa ya no ntu de obesa hia car no the next day obesa ahyebo dawa fo nyina me chia mo why taxi fo no de enso no toto se ya wo mo de no ya na o mo de ne ye wiper
Akoma FM
the wiper no nya adwuma sa no a bon se wo bisa ubetima hia obi so kra na woni duster woni kanim afi mani yomuduku amen pa John fam amen be pa ayiwa ha o de tue no be say drivers no baby adru no we kra de nyame adom wipers ne niema aka betima boa nsu tobre mu sei no ya na wodi traffic mu a but da bia no ento no nyamba me de ma men kom ba bi enya hwe bibiansi enya hwe bibiansi enya hwe
Akoma FM 87.9
obehu an say afi dakro
Akoma
this all
FM
packet
87.9 Kumasi.
so packet na wanya bre ade apepa ne windscreen anim ne ade ebinie ntimi 2 million drivers fo nyina afo mo amode ye tesa no yesre mo what does your mo kwa ho ne yi adwuma yi saa o kwa no masoso me se na no ba akode kra de no ye taxi saa car no mu nyina just from ne nyina atete enti odi uko fa ba bia nsuo se nsuo toyi se ekwan ne bi o ho a nsuo ne to a twiba kwan ne fifi ko fa ho a wo hwu mu nyina ka kesi fam kra ne tietiem bi kra nka betima doji nsuo no o hwu ahwe adwuma akọ kra no wonum beto se aye na akọ se ba bia akọ wonum beto nti driver for no mesra mo minuanom mo hwe na ba bia duru ne de June July emu na ye wono nti June July mu de nsuo no ye expect say nsuo no beto pa nti no ya na Marcia no so e de amaye good na no asem e ba ye teacher ni me nua teacher ni nyina hini Catholic Senior High ka asem nka bi asem no court enra court se mu nkofie me de mu asem we nyan ade e be kra no be ha kwada no nti mu nkofie na mu nkoto aso mu nkosiesie we nya asem a ye ba be kana ye be wie ne akoka se teacher kodemu teacher to find say teacher you say first action no nie first one no video no baby start ye ni
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
baby na na o pacho zoom ya dia no mame zoom ya dia no na Facebook for no mra na pacho kwa no ase ama foforo nya bi a share why aha share first one ni so hey if I teacher for huna mani o no kwasem pa ni me nua na de no ye no me endorse no me endorse it. As a matter of fact
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
me endorse say teacher ni de ye nyina na ye call school no yenim se nkwada ho adwuma ne ye ba ye enti woyɛ diploma ye ma woyɛ psychology woyɛ first degree a wobɛyɛ psychology in fact masters in education be more psychology so that one kasa no betimi atoto niema yie psych yourself nkwada no nso ye ma hu nkwada no nso nipa adwene se de esitie but the tie ne se nkwada no nso so I take advantage of the fact that oh akwada din semfo a teacher ni abakra me ntwa ne bi yesu betwa ba e wo se ukọ ma headmaster ologi se mama ho kwan se akwada yi teacher ni ntwa ne to ebia maami ensa nti obelogi our logbook said e be ya asemba eno no wo ho eno no ye option na menu an teacher for no be say eno ekwan
7.9 Kumasi
but they do baby so you agree with the system because assembly na say one twa kwada na mfa na nko headmaster ho ama ye ni nkomo na afei ye hu how that dey ni baby free ba na ya unlog ya by the time a bi ade akora no beduru wo be kan wasema wie no ana assembly see ye no o reaction kura betima ma o react akora no aba no de bebo nani o bebo toto aba no basabasa ma akobo ba bia ma epira no enti eya na sanche ye no de bua ne say akora no ye no you report to the headmaster. That is how system no ye
87.9 Kumasi
na ade ba akopa ne say san kwada yi asesei abusafo mo ye hwe na ye nyi emotions and sa na mani mfrim eno me ka kire mo say e ba ye no na me ye say me ye critical e wo sa de we hu a grofo be ka say say John na say ja teacher fo nyina ye onuanom enti no asemba na we teacher fo agina ba bi na wo ka ne ade a enti me ka kire mo say me nka bi enra obi ye say John ade won ka bi o na me de nka bi
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
but na de mpesa me kan ye kakra bi me nche ho ba bia dru no akyerɛkyerɛfo ene awofo I was saying nyina no ye were the same page ne hu kwan be fa so a ye betimi e de atete nkwada no yeah no problem you see school stakeholders no baby a critical pa ye relationship between parent and a teacher.
87.9.
A very critical. So how you for now do back school. Now ko janima teacher ni. That's a one sham build it a good relationship. Mutual one. I be boama mo mumie no mo time hu kwan be fa so a mo be titi akwada na. Kwada na be ginsem. If I don't cry now, my for crying in your break school or crying, Quadano crano, or more fine or more way. I near maybe. Into your teacher phobia or more school. So, schools, school BM. Yes, where your hard dream pa, where dear, teach anywhere your hard dream pa. Say, teach anywhere dear, or no dear. Jubons and Quadano be real school. No, my target is a teacher. No, Quadano, we are stubborn. No, my target is a teacher, you know. Adentia because Quadano me stubborn was school hono. Sa teacher no ya na dwe so be correct wo mo. Enti omo be ya ne tamfo. Teacher ni o school on so nsemfo so. Quadano me stubborn was school hono. Omo mpo masem. Enti omo sa Quadano be tro se BC ya. Ade ya kan obusafo enye senior high school nko a o. Even junior high schools. Share and kwada omu yes emra them say omu school. I think yes, that's what I read. Menra baby ana menam buso omu so omu wie. Minim de say bia omu wo ebinim omu so omu da so and here baby papers be thrown there. But this is it. Sir, Nkwadani tro omu BC wie tro
87.9 Kumasi.
What's in here? Ehon na obeti. And the teacher ni esu teacher ni we dey ono ayo so a discipline. Ono yentwema no. And I am saying that yen nyina yen kambom. Uye parent na utie me anope a emma teacher ni a wo kire oba de ho nye wahi etimi kwa akoduru se teacher ni we kra de me mpanani ma hwe kra me mpanani ma hwe aden a
Akoma FM 87.9
me back school wo tata no o tata no say anya so o tata no say teacher ni no pe say your ba e bia wo pen na ye bibi suban bi e wono ho abi a wo de frifie maame wo fie wo ti fie wo ni bia wo ne wo kunu kra na wo ne nkrofo a mo co-tenant am wo fie mutimi didi mo ho atema kwara na fa bi de ko school kwara na nkasa timi di ne ba bi di na tem eno wo de ko school ho eno wo di nsemfo wo school nim in fact the fie kra no ba maame mutimi control wo daja sa kwada no wo daja no jana man timi kwazi ene mintumo nti ba adwa oh mintum na mo kɔ he enti akwada no benya kwan aye niema bia bi wo fie enti so koduru school ho na se teacher ni poa no a ana teacher ni person correct na o say me ma me kra ntimi na wo ade papa kra onye na wo enti no be problem those days me kai passe asemusia ye so akwada ne nsa kra wo fie ade enye school ma se betimi so akwada ne nsa wo fie hwe enyina ya go through that so nsa me de wakọ etu ya de ebo teacher din se udi boni bi wo fie a ye timi bo teacher din so de wo de wo paaye me de kwa Akoma say asomasi na no nkwa hunhuna o ene awo 4 years dodo na yi sa ne ma na frim because omo na achim na wo no wa hwe kra madam awo school ho a wani edi a correct nkwada na nyame enye wadoma wontimi nwuye ye de no nyina betwa ampoa. I am not saying say teacher ni bia no a saint and for that matter teacher ni bi ntimi go overboard possible omo ye nipa betimasi but I'm saying that yen nyina yen kamo because kwada no won fifi no ankwada no o sem fifi no ono ne yen focus So me kai but you live on Facebook o share and now you can say you teacher ni baako asio so senior high
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Eba news nim say oni akwada baako pepe ne de ade wo nani. The last time I checked, na ono nso so pachew say ya papa Ibrahim Mahama emeye na dom na ono nso so nka na no a girl Adventist dey ba yi ono nso dey ba news nim pa menim the state now. Matias here. Teacher 4A go through a lot. Me to this way, to this extent there. As a matter of fact, me they are me who video no. Me condemn here.
87.9 Kumasi.
Condemn here say a bedroom point abia teacher ni one akwada baya na pipe na dinner chef na no. I mean under no circumstance and I was say it drew that stage. No, I mean debi. But at the answer ni say, you be sit down ni aka, you be any down enti ya jene se mo fanko. Mate say wo phone bi say ai and I order from above.
87.9 Kumasi.
PTA for national. Almost someone tiase. Yen treaty cheni na so. Ya treaty cheni na so akwada no so se e che na so. Si ya treaty cheni na so a. Let's not forget akwada kura fa ne say. Watro ne na ye wie ni wase wie. But onye school no. Until send the results beba no. Bibi atimi si mi aka say hey. Nkwada no a mo tro wo nyina hini. Mo ayi nyina mo papers nyina nyame mfa sama e bia mo papers kwa na yetwem
87.9 Kumasi.
Obe akwada sa akwada no paper school akọ. You say bia private and ya na ja omo de omo no ya omo mfa ne ma ho do ba bia private for no say bia wo ye call ya formal school na yakwa akọhwe o conduct ni ade de bi o mfa ho but schools bi o ho a public one bi o ho a wo kwa na headmaster afafo no a friend colleague no ho no kwada we na ni suba te say menye no enti akwada no wonwie school amuso madwa adan a nti giemfa teacher ni nkotum
Akoma FM
87.9
Kumasi.
ye carry a ye yi no free okay o de granted ye de akwada no kọ ye se okọhwe no ho ye de ye kọ teacher ni no ye kọ ye so onko na se remandino say ye sentence no emrano I have not read about it how e be say 6 months say 8 months say 1 year yes teacher ni no onko demu a ye tima dealing with the issue ana are we not
Akoma FM
motivating kwadani in a way say no matter how e be ye no teacher ni no ye be twena so enti me video bi na picture ya na me ka ho asem yi e go viral pa nkwada ya mo school ba ko ai wo ye fresh sekere kumawu ekwa ane kwan no so ho senior high school ba ko kwada no okita ayi bi mema de bi what say dua no de ayo say na what twi I mean you see what granted enra me checks am here say ebetimi amba because confirmation be am my the oye video ebetimi amba we set up na
87.9
that's what we practicals what granted ebetimi amba say bia wo mo ye platform de ye practicals huh but akwada no ba bia wo de ade na duru no I go beyond that practicals na. I was a classroom. Nkwada ni nyina wo ho na e bia nkomu nyina nkwa wo mu sua de. Ono no de ya de foforo. Abaya wo de nam ne boso ha. No wa twe ne ketrema. No wo de ne ketrem. Just say oh money who say ade me teacher be hu. That is information I so bia practicals na no mo ye na. Omka so mo family ntino. because ebe nwa sa kwada kwa sene saa de no e de ahye ne nsem ba beta class no yes and wo share almost set up no so a tena class let's here na yes possible say bit my either say be a science be no musua ne ade yes possible so na protect akwada aye so be protecting say at the end of the day say the can it me establish here but I mean the problem is that say akwada ne benya adwene bi say yetimi de fa ye boso ha ba ya yetimi kutam sei ye som sei na ye de fa ye boso sa fa boso de fa ye boso sa na kire say nimpokua nimpokua ntem
Akoma FM 87.9
kwara no de nam ho sa de nam ho and how dey kupa make my blend and no na
87.9
said you see so ade ni mu ehia me pa eti ama ade na gwa nkrofo tirim say nkwara no say wo mo fashion ho ono oba wie school a ne hairstyle de nam school ni mu no obi antimi nka ba man wo so de ade ode foam afa ne tirim ni mu nam school ni mu say obi a o teacher no ye de koka ye beti tewa bobo and to say ya should our interest be in it say oh teacher try say teacher ni no ye de ne tum ye wi a de na asi den na asi
Akoma
me endorse sa ade no but say e court na judge say ade no mo de mo fa nko fie na mo nko settle bibia because eduru ba bi kra na akwara no woni ne ho akwara na wo for cross eduru ba bi no mo so nu mo ho say sa ade na si. You see, parents are concerned that okay, say ye via akwada no a ye kana sem no. The dean said the beye, and the judge was also concerned. Say ye via akwada ni dean because there is future ahead of the young girl. You get that thing? And you know, observe say e ba say ya.
87.9
Ye nyina ye ni nkomo ni ye. Ushe police statement the buyer do be teacher ni no kra no omo to nabo omo pa nabo. I am not supporting the teacher in this act. No. Debbie nemum say ni nyina mu no say wako wono teacher ni ho afa ne kakra. Yesi kona yen hwe ne resolve yasem no. Yenhwe na yen settle bibia. I say PTA for national for Debbie
87.9
Debbie no. Emfa nkotum. Enti yen system no a ye practices say anyhow ye niema no. Ye be koso build the politicians are ye building. Yebekoswa because akono school hono bibia mo ne hu say ade na wo ye no yebetwe na so enti say when emra ho nim say emra say ni aberidi say enye wei o school ha
87.9 Kumasi
bara kwa koye osime ye ntwe na so na sankwada timi wie school no ma saba school ha be say school no niema at niema na wo school ho no wa target ade bi oba akwara no wa gibo ntim say me ayiwe me wi amefa book we me wi that me books we me wi amekwa koso na nyina free school. You see that atwe no nti sa akwara no obe wi abenenam street ni mu na krono ese ni trim
Akoma FM 87.9
enti mo nyima no nsi bone act we no. I mean, there's no way. Say teacher ni oni akwada na oni ne toto na the point. Ube yi na shi ho. Na o tene so na pow there. No. But if this is the decision from the court, if it is, enti ayi de yesi wo kade. That one I was happy.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
You get it? That's your chim kwadana si baby. Ya chum majina baby say. One more the teacher need parent. Ebetima kwa kujina school. And the teacher need time. And kwa headmaster honu wako complaini. Na headmaster cheche ni mu. Teacher ni aba ya trans. Oh teacher ni me da se. Ebi akwara no di oye ya nwada Roma. Next time no bi ya yedi say mami. Debi o. Akwara di su kwa. Now she kane no di su be kofie. Say wo kwa ye ka jo say bema. The basic school honu mfa mafie. Ya sa ka tro kra say the school masem. Ya mfa nkofie. Ah. Now ya twa ba na masusumu ti da ho na de che say una papa ho odin na abra obra bi na on the all squad you know now dimirika na me ko ka chem papa and then kwara no bitimi ye wo akokodro mu timi ka che ne say wo chena papa be ba ha ba beto. Yes, I mean nti dia na de asha kwara ni trim ya ka kire ne say ukọ no obi bia be ka kire teacher ni bi I mean niema be ka ka teacher ni bi ko din semfu abe ka kire no ampa kwada no so ampa de be chi ni papa be ba ni papa ba no so nya so bebusa sade ne CEO obedi atem obebo sotro kokofa ne brother e de na ba squad omutata teacherfo me say eye den ye wo teacher ni bi a obetima go overboard eno wo ho but eye adia se ye nyina asoman enai na de aduru ha no na de aduru ha yi ya politician na ni mu dwe
Akoma FM 87.9
odi bone a onfa ho eye school ya na nke de correct nti me kai etim de akwada ba na na be hye wonsa ye kan so no teacher fo ni bi nso wo mo ho school ho wo mo ho wo school ho ni ya ka teacher ni we di onye o teacher ni we di onye o timi ko che parents that teacher ni we di wan ko kaka bi ankyere na wo be sa to aso pe wo mo aka teacher fo na ya kase ho because emra no o say no dia me banye no me mo bi ba so nye because at the end of the day me na me ye na yetete nkwada no that is adwuma e dia ma yesi enye no na colleague o say ayi we the teacher ni we na some edin o nti no so impression be na o create wo dey two parents ntimu say sa akwada no be ka say ampa teacher ni we wonya who teacher ni wo ni colleague wo so endorse it.
Akoma FM 87.
Asma me kan schools ni bi ewom. Se parent eba school ho a. Ebi ana wo no akwada no kra no wonya bi free parent ni ho nti. Teacher ni no ai ayi de wonye wo hwe. Onye hwe ni ye onye. Wanka bi bia nkyere na aba no be ha na dwen. Na ya ye ho ya teacher for ya na say we ba ye me sure pass teachers ni bi wo hokas aha kwa we ye pa nyame na tua ne ka usuba te sanso na wo ye no wo ye ma ne bro so a
87.9 Kumasi
na wa hye ne ma yie nti na teacher ni wote ho ne nsa hye na yi ndemre fam hwa kwada din owi a owofo de brawo kwada no wacha senior high wacha say 3 years enumpo 3 years ne krenru ami say track ne hwa track ne yellow ne hwa baba ide na soma dwo no obefia onfa mrew minim school bia early 2000 na sa school no say oye akwada na went to school ni mu acha ne junior high school acha oye bema no crowd na ema no say ukwa uwe so akonyem so want me anko school na say school no want me antram obi anyi wadi o say e bia teacher for your street was school ni mu na say want me anko a Ubeko sales and also ubeko ayi. Ubeko kwanyem. It was like that because omunkom ade na mu ohye because see teacher for no hwe say mra be adwuma.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And this is where ye nyina ya ba bedru nti abusua. Uya ofo na wutie mi a. Dwene ho bio. Yanka se ma ho kwa na teacher ni mu bankunu. No. Nemom dwene ho bio. Dwene ho bio say akwada no de na wo kra wo fie wotimi fa ayi bankuta wotimi fa ayi sekan to woto sekan e de chesi no
Akoma FM 87.
so ho foni na mi twa no but ho foni na mi twa no sano ko na so den bari akan sa akwada no o start ye ne bi obi teacher ne bi hui ye so be correct akwada yi ama ho kwan oh me ba we die me ba we die na me ba we die me ba we die me ba we die enti afi wonyini a
Akoma FM
na akoya asem
87.9 Kumasi.
nkomo ene ye nyina ye die teacher fo bi nso so asofa wo ebi mu sofa sesi bi on kwala ne bi prepare wo ami kan si oso teacher ni nani me kia ka say teacher fo bi a nkwada bi di o mo sa akokeka no eno ye mfi oh we dey teacher ni we dey o mo fanye no adan a ba school later obeka ebi mabama bu ba de bi so ho mabama mui teacher fo ni bi abama bu na dey obeba school 10 kra me dey nkwada 3 ho asme kire ma dey at the end of the day aban betua me ka me kwa akwaji misika ai o se class 1 makra aban me dey makọ school no dey se makọ school ba ye ne sa to aso sa na sei ye education ene nkwada na pese ti tro mo no enti abusua die wo mu eno no me nua sika pa good morning o se Sir John wakase yi pa teacher no overreact here in this situation but yemubu wa ha because discipline and ma
87.9 Kumasi.
ma tia ye nti ene ye wa ha I think sir Aban should find a way to protect our teachers. Okay. Ne dia no. Because I mean, good morning. I'll see. Okay. Okay. I'll say teacher ni bi so. I'll say teacher ni bi abone ba. Under 5 years. Under 5 years. Nti. Ewo tachima. I'll say offense ni say ya. Ni papa abo. Ateche gu ne ho. Odineka. How about ateche gu ne ho? I mean, we there now. See we cry there. We calling for bro. Oba pa kwaya ade a enkobo e. Ntina make say yes. There bi mu omu a. Be hadweba there is a way a betimi ahwe na yetimi correct niema. So that is that. Yebeba na fe yeba beto so na nkomo yi mame mi ahoma ne kakra. I will be answering adwin. Of course. So I disagree. I also so akwanya no actually the intel disagree. Yes. Nso ato. Edi ehun komo. And I ask you where off a power. Facebook action where off a power now. Hey, teacher, I didn't go there. Oh, whoa. Some talk family there. Teacher talk family. Sana action be bass on the Anyway, yeah, we are a bedding come on. politicians na yes I oma de ni bio
Akoma FM
omo ya nom de asem komo no omo ya nom de asem ade no but anyway ni nyina so ye so omo so ka ho bi omo so ka ho bi ena ye de sa headline we enra akom call ha soldier for amakwan headline we me sure say after enne any after obi a the old this whatever no yem ko sa headline bi o de yem fa course we mu we enne mpacho ho de no de ye teacher for de enkomo ne parents and our face students enkomo ne aye di no eno ho ade ne yedi but so oba na bibia sesan wo area ho nso bi ensuo ne ade a no am ye hu why two things na ye koye ye wi a e ba behwe aferini se wu ane e ho nkomo aba 0322498035 0243114497. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir, my brother.
How are you saying?
Nyame adom.
Yeah, okay, say you maybe me game to that. Now, I dear by call teacher for no be ya maybe me say me tia ya me say akwala wo china de no ko fa na. So we go school e teacher me anti wo wo ho fi me de ho mako me ka say me ball be me ka tu aku do sports stadium so ni mo fe. Ke a teacher for ya adila omo wa biya sinina nti wo ya wo fo na se wo ba ye adebone na se teacher ni tuna no se wo fe teacher ni ko tuma ni dia wo pasa wo chere dia ezamina wakani na wakani se wo kusini kan se ni ene ko wakan wadane eno kama pama ani ada ho but ebi na a teacher for bi ameka se de wudi kan teacher mu no na a teacher for no bi kan no awofo no bi kan no nkanya sa pa dia ade na wo ba school wudi na comment a teacher ni se wan tikino na kwala na yen fumuso na one piano and we ma any mama nyina wi school nti kwase ade kwano me o mko school mu na de me ya babu me ni magana akofint me hu ma se me report bi ba me to so for and me do nya adoa ni ko tuji ana madwa right day ba mi ko fia ayi o ejoso me ko ati me ko fi ja me ko do fi ja se ye tia me baby office no me nanti ko me nimu be se ketia ni asafo me ko ya ko la kitu a me ba me ba ko chen o di se be ku me na diskele fi mi na me wura wo nti me na aba no a wo fo no ni abra wo mu so yi gu kitafo ni so be yi no mo ko po ni ya ni de adie ba ko mo wi asi a me ko man pan se kitchen ni a wo ti akola de no ko fa no
Numbers near 03224-98035 0243-114497. Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John. What you saying?
Mini ame hoye pa.
Ona le yo, but that's what I
Ma minti o mini ya.
Sir John. The person ya papa. The person ya papa. Sir John, I know okay. I think the last 2 years. Yes, people are on the I got great and face. Now we say people can go for mobility training. So that almost can say they may be a deal for more. I think I want to say so. You know what the secretary you
are. Very bad. But wait, must have free view. Why? 03224-98035 0243-114497. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yeah.
Let me join you.
Okay. Yeah, some people are called there.
We are doing mobile training. Now we say.
I'm Adam.
And I permit you concerning teaching school by Colano. Wakasa, my 98%.
That's
Echinaha.
That's
One million say, we lead them. Now, the main can say, a dinner figure, school me, Timmy teaching, so I born into a local baby. On any echo, if you find a baby, the Kayako school. We have someone who feel one this school. We are not chill, where the local school, assembly, new public, no discipline, but maybe yen sign Korean cofa. Yen catch it at Tempono, Yen Cofaso, then why your money and more fair women. That was the job.
Yamenka Hominia. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
I am Femi Kremu Mikatesi Aguna Yamasi.
Kremo Aguna Wiamuase.
Yes, Sir John.
Hello,
Topic now we discuss on the day here who be. There's a name now for Nama. Says Mkolana na Omatu Som Swamana Bata. Because time when I said they're not black. Would be Bonnie Figuana. If you catch us here, the Quaco country teacher school. What I say, I'm a blue. Can you move here to see out now? Then Colao Muku school or more trauma door, a Colao school or no trauma. If the teacher in one who is our toy demand. If the teachers in this way decide to say, send me let's now. Now, Behame, Ubakuta squad, Amia Babumia Bay, the Minka, Ujia, Hosea, or the Kufi, or the Comama. And this is also for now, who for the dear motive to Kolani, the and I'm outside your marine in a course. If the PT for no name, education and United dominated from now way back, said they're not curriculum next year, or maybe go back. The next idea because Nipa is training on me, a school free and a lesbian, a fraud, a school, a Kolako school was in a scammer. Now we mean a day and over here. You do my education is a young over.
Sape Pemedasi, offer from Good morning.
Morning, boss. My phone.
Yamiadum, opening.
The phone is just here.
A jacket here, Okase frame.
I told you.
Atunsu, Adaroma.
And said, Nima, I am a parent and I'm not in Kulana. Teacher, me, I'm missing teacher, I can move out of Tonyama.
Ikatoniama.
Look back at fools. Because teacher phony, a comma for the teacher may be a bonny, and I a bonny for them. Akora misbehaving now, the Panatiana.
Akoma FM
So,
87.
Nasma is a woman, Tiasi. And the papa, and Craig Michelle, Madame or two, Madiano, or University. I see Madame Wabwa in Pau. And there were who's a one, but anyone would tell no, say, oh, Hannah. And she and someone saying could be on some of your home. Satam Naka, and the other cousin from Ramagana. I will form in Yakuma, not to the Wakano, only a teacher in my back. Well, Master can be of one of the British or Master Saturday, young woman.
I know cry.
My income on the yards in the back. No matter what, we have some will be of a country. We didn't make us an Italian come a jack of people to be quiet on a baby. Was about income of Minia.
Yamenka, good morning.
Good morning.
But Odin baby a casa free. Coffee or being genius or other mamma means here.
Because if you answer the beginning, then it can see how it can you. Again, the critical issue, something with the media. And you can see that the woman in India, that's my way of get my own your bow. Set up on the end, and find how much you can find so that and mom, and if I know because if you are education officer, the bomb process, I'm not a young work. This is what become bono. And some which she are fighting. So maybe a buy in the day time in viewing and I'm saying the show number is something about your more idea. Young man and mobile. So this is a couple of the about to say, okay, let me get the other day, my baby. And then it's here mobile.
But that's it. Engineer talent. And I'll say teacher for Commodore who Jim Cran or Mohanty, I mean, or more nature talent near day. It will homajai because I mean at the end of the day we are crowd. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing, baby?
Let's go.
Yeah, Indian common.
Okay, so if I may condemn us to make coffee. Now, the team is some corner of the So yo, almost do okay, chapter pie. So why say you do know teacher will show at you. You do so why are you so in your court to how? Because if I tell you so you will be those days, you crazy, you know, teacher inquires of what can it be about swimming job about Cobra. And you inquire about if you do the teaching. The teaching in the season you do commit to trash it. Oh, let's all do. Let's all do. There's some way the kind canapa, we can eat. Why, I can't look at
Medasipa. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
A fellow man, I could be free. I'm going to my faith about.
Well, I'm a mintiwa.
So, John, Medasipa, and and some of the other and the place. And because then any 50s and 70s, no, so that's a local school. They mistake me. So the master mistake I want to mistake about me, Agro. And I said, Obi Bokola to school bar. The share my equation, you know, the two tables, so the teacher name. And then we passed the Baku school. School boy, more what I master. I was teacher so. Take a look there. A binding Sandra. I'm like some and baby. We are for our the other for trade is time, you know. So sorry for going to go school. Young fan say the South Carolina, but you are the building down. At that war, they must have this, and then man, and no cost Albert Sabota. No could see how they are not to the Dabra. But I could say that now. We are about to
Medasipa, but I would maybe a Casafri. Good morning.
Mepacho or I think I have a name because every association was there.
Many I am quitting.
My member was Basso. Because when come on, no, but there would you today, idea the bois or my Ghana. Nayana, my new control. That is the student to say my and they are by own. They were the Catam 9 years to Sana Yoko school. The teacher, you go who come on a wood, Johnny. I was a will 40 as they say. The one who made to back our bar. The one of my own school teacher in training. And it's a plan from some school. Let's say, as well. You have someone to me that into the Odia Colania, the Epo, but you are with one mark, but teacher didn't go check class one. No, you are foreign content, and better me because and Mramia no man. Here I won't was it. First, teacher liberty student, so now for that Solako school, I could be time to Mramia no, or my new might, you make him dinner too. That said, no, maybe I make a Mrana. Yana bro for the tear with train on the bay, say you the human right may and walk on the tail. Yea, Africans and Tanya Mano, and yea, a quarter. And yes, African leaders said, and yea, Mabiana bro for the band of human right, the other day, what is so. Tanya Man in the Aquadi get to Mayam Wakola, Yen Tiakola, and next ask him to be and Koladi be deemed to whoever school. And the Amaraso said, you did Brabi tour, take a Kolabi deemed in the Mugo school. And I'll switch to the separate man from Manu. Now, I will find those who want to let your best for their call. I'll switch off a separate on the end from Mount.
Medasi, Isaac Ayaba. Good morning.
Hey, you said, Joe,
Minia.
The king of 30,000. I will go to go say. I will go and queen. The judge has to look at yourself. 87.9. You make an say. The issue of saying, first, you know, make it. Then you to say. First, you know, the way I'm not in reality, the Ghana, and they used to be just hard out. They don't need to, and Quarana to say, one more Abbas is saying, we you buy here and you get there from Pagadi, which man is the first look at. It's what you need to. I will phone now, you won't, but I said, no, you said, any amount of Casay. They don't see any amount of engineer and Casay. I said to him, here. And yet you are still one of them, the patrol. This year, mother, I said, me, yes, you I put in the bag, and then I can't say, you can more and Parabana, anything. That go. When you do the teacher, police will be coming out, one more discipline for another different.
Yes.
It's like it. We have it, maybe you the planet. I will follow you and no more than you to a man of you need a money that you said no, and son because I What you need training, you may you to be kill for every black and another my planet. I just put the number to put to 1 month ago. And now they are trying to go what that.
That's it. Good morning.
Good morning, say.
Nyame adom na so eh.
Again, I'm not the one to say Bumita about the party now. Offenses out today, included to Papa.
E go so to ha me nua.
Sejo isa be do physical kote.
Isa ye di nkomo yenko anim.
Aben ko ba so papa. Sejo topic order to jey ya menchira wate na juma wo bona santiwane Ghana mama de wallahi ya di twam. Ya menchira Akoma FM. Sejo sakra be kan nda no pa di say. O man we ya yesua tra pa ya yesua tra. Unu sejo de high pass so ye di bibia e politics o ba we mo. Bibia de politics o ba we mo. Ya pa wo we asema wo kai. Ubokom no papa e politicians bi o. Ubokom no papa e tikani bi. So when the meter on who say name my okono teacher ni nyo bi ama no teacher ni ono jira class teacher wade abada to obaye monpre that obaye FP that obaye dibre bi obaye professor no who say teacher no ne ko toko e school dem eye ga na ye coach no say John we dey debate here man na ye be o mind we no ya yesu try to say John ye bibia so the politics na wuram
no ne how no
politics they do doctors say politics I am going to be politics malam for the politics aso for the politics the no kura what o catch o mind no mind ko ni won ka o
nka da me da say good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho odini baby akase free.
Efemi Jakufi Nkawe.
Inu ya maminti o.
Pacho video ba first no. When you go to kazo sa Quran e be for teaching no no from so. Some teaching no the process so abome. It is video to me have one between that no. Not to the teaching in the Quran. The more it is guys and trustful. We will say that. This is the idea of the Quran. According to the community, I know some of the Korea everything goes to your community. According to squad of the community, every block or every map or to the fire portal. Yaya Kwande. Is it in your background? Did you go when you're Kwande? You did a fragana, Frasak will be on some idea. Let our parents and what's a do free. You finish that now, pony by. Isn't going to consider by.
Or me perceive about them, sir, David. Mamma for last two callers, Nafi in why? Come on, do baby. I also want to say 87.9. Come baby, I say come on, yeah, you know now. Into two, yes, last two callers now. Here we good morning.
Morning, sir.
But I'm more feeling and for money. We didn't baby a casa free. See, Connie. Okay, see, Connie, I'm into you.
I don't have to I know you must say our bomber or my gun. The most no, you might have one with the day with that. Akoma. And my friend also swore to a thing. One cut out that for a woman. You come from my own. And you bet you in some. No, I could be a happy. But in the battle, you are kitchen. Maybe I'm an old school. What's up with the best of 1 bar by my. If I don't find best of 7 seconds, I could have been here to nothing. Yeah, or baby school and I am.
I hear, oh, you know, you're not seeing up, baby.
Oh, and to sound how we look at those taco come out of passing a better set. It's not a community. I'm not ordinary for our financial. It is that you're above ferry, a mother and having the passo. Open you know, I didn't say. And you can hear to say, and I saw dinner.
That's it. Last call on you. Good morning.
Good morning, my beautiful brother. I like your blessing.
Hey, sir, what answer all the Facebook there? Hey, any?
Like see papa. I did. Wish now. That's your money. Now, so don't. Where before I go to boy, and then you couldn't come quick. But if I go back, I know. Back, I wear your foot. But you see, me and I see one of follow. I think you can go in Chaba. I quite bonny and also be a channel. Young cat. So don't a hard thing. I'm the next say, I bet Chinese Uncle Pamela. Also, I can't know to say to me, sure. In this local and more. I think it's a word, and I don't know. I can't know the baby uncle, so. When condemn that one and say,
So you need any material credit according to the match. I can find you are we are.
Aye, but aye.
We are about the day. We will squab the day. Come on, for man,
Yeah, that's it. You quiet him. Nah, aye, man. Eno na saa de no na abahye bone no na ye de awura politics mu no. HNDC ni say emra ne ne oh na fe ya tie sim ya mpene emam saa abahye bone ne bi na ye de awura politics mu amamu ebi na ye de awura amamu mu saa de na na ye de namu na ye de awura amamu mu HMPP ni oh ye se wo mra bra yoko ni emusa question hey da bi ante ase na ya so nkrofo akogu yoko office adan ai ade no munya no bone no ye no so ebusa say wo emra no sesen ya untimi nkoti ebi na saa abahye bone no bi na ye de hye mpanimfo na omakoduru soro ho na omo so omosom ye no mosom ye ni ebi no na ye de akoduru ho mini abazin kumatuna se yo mu no say na world cup no start na Akoma FM Yang World Cup keteke no. Yami adomo a Saturday 10 p.m. K1 pub ewo esreso. Brazil any Morocco. So match we say a heavy match pa. Enti sports team neba na womo aba be share me bibia. Come about starting 90 ne on Akoma 87.9. World Cup no coverage in the hand also with because you had to be beer action beer and no so we say Pepe Nura Black Stars camp now videos and microphone exclusive pictures any videos
Akoma FM 87.9
yeah they bro you know but World Cup fee ni anyhow Akoma 87.9 and I say Morocco ne South Africa nti Koswati Akoma 87.9 Pepe Suarez ni team ni nyina no serve come Mexico ni yes Mexico ni South Africa yes and kick off on my first match no catching catching reason but a match pa the opening ceremony ewo Estadio Guaramero Kamedo
Akoma FM 87.9
enti sanete me na mantima nka we na ya ebazingum
welcome me
konkum menua
thank you yes
machai
mejo so pa
na ho ye
nyame adum so agugu oluman anadwi na o hya ase se wo gugu nso no a to nhyira no a eti papa anopai de ye chia wo ye ni so ye wo ye ma ye nkwa wo de dom ye so de ase nkwa wo de gu emu anka hospital ne ton no a ke mu bi ke ewu so ho oxygen kra kakra kwa na de asi kra na resuscitate and stabilize okra no e kai bono hospital bibi enya sika no nti omu so ho we should be free na papa de ma ye enti ohene wachi ni wanim nyame bi ani ho ye da wase tutubonsu ya chia otwedu ampo awie na ya ba asasi so ni ya chia papa reverend omo no ene mama reverend reverend no na ya chia na namu ama hene of a PV and a free Professor York Legacy Hospital papa so ya chia nyame adoma bi ya china prof beto afa ha yes enti Sir John bibia ekoso kama se ohun ye de alright we need to so mu nyina am ho ye kama
Stanley
eno ade no my busy Stanley mechia no ena nua sika paso so
yo sika pa yes and now pe the message aba
opadwane gare dodo sika pa padwane gare
say wo de wo ye nipa bi a
padwane gare too much sika pa padwane gare dodo oya ni ntima mi aba na adwane gare nyina wo krom asem ni ahwede obedi
sika pa sre
adwane gare wura
but adwane gare say yo
sika pa padwane gare dodo adwane gare wura eti
me no gobe force me kan
na ahwede we awaye yire gobe nko a ne boy yiri nya gobe
Evans
sika pa opa o bo on challenge me ne boy yiri nyina ye adwane gare no a adua wa hana gare wa hana wa ye wo be man de sika pa me so on challenge me
enti
Sika papa on challenge me.
Baby, how this sika
papa on challenge me. Something ya na no ototo on sika papa to ba dia onye wi. Na me totoma ne dia na wi. I don't know ototoma me dia onye wi.
Na how
me say sika I don't know ototoma me dia onye wi.
Onua to be ma.
Eso to be ma me.
Na no crowd there no ya.
And charge yintia. Eden obeto bi ama me. It medical attack na answer. Asa na oto ne dia.
So would you say the way any attack?
Oh yes.
Would you say the way any attack?
A personal attack.
Okay.
It's not saying be on so to ba mesa respond. Very simple.
Open amane
yes.
And so we the empire.
I said the ultimate to man pay.
Also open say
ultimate to a man pay. But Sir John me cheska pass to me we are feeling brother pa. Sir John. Mama sha see free. Enra court ruling no. Eba ye the judge ni ye no ne or na so kan ye ne teacher ni no so no ye hostel manager and I'm one.
Or a professional teacher.
Professor. Oh good. Okay. Any
hostel the no caretaker will be
akra ne de no. Any judge and the judgment and all of that. Say no. My main phone Bible. Time wana Nebuchadnezzar ewo ho no. Na nyamedi fo bi ne efre ne Daniel.
Okay.
Nebuchadnezzar koson ne daye. Na Daniel eni ho. What koson daye? Mini ho. Wo se me the other wise men emeche daye.
87.9.
It didn't make any sense. Even to the extent say someone to me and Chemi Diana Sia, me kumunina, me chamuti. Say, does it make sense? One also would die. Obeshita oda so ni we are ye no crown. Memena me na so bi. Even se me no crown na dam panu so bi kura no a. Die was so ye no. Entimi automatically entimi transfer ma mitrim. E ma me hu die was so. Afedi bi. Say John. Ya more time deadline. Se me ohin Nebuchadnezzar me maso me die se mo ntimi interpret die no me
87.9 Kumasi
Pastor John nyansa na Nyankopon dia dom Daniel nti o ka kire the other wise men say munya momienko yekoto wi anim ne mompa ensum frɛ ye urade obemma yen the interpretation of that dream. Lo and behold, Nyankopon ebubu daye ni mu ekire wo mu akuaku we line Emma Daniel eko present ade no oye no we unse ho no that time no oye no e friends e say PowerPoint. Thank you Abi. Oye no PowerPoint man. That time oye no PowerPoint. We na we ye na se me nwana no we na we ye okoda no atale we na share bossa shots we na share with the training of presenting a PowerPoint. That was the first one Nebuchadnezzar who see the projector ABB Daniel the chere no PowerPoint Enna was spare Daniel Sir John and see wa Bathsheba
FM 87.9
Ahithophel Nana Solomon Obom Payo say Rade mempe edan wo hilltop mempe dan a ewo Trazaku mempe Lincoln mempe Range Rover mempe Ferrari ade a mepe nyansa that me dey be me power me prayer topic no every blessed day I pray to God for wisdom, divine wisdom. No cre. The first test apply answer, divine wisdom. Wo mami ni paboni ni waku bada abasu okun. Wo sorry ya hu se wo ba no awuo no. E na wo kofa obi de se wo ba. Ye de mami kopie mu o se ai me ba no na mpaso produce evidence bia se me ba. De ye ne ba ne se okay mame enya hwe ohina ka se ne sa na te dia ye be cha akora nim afei de ye ne ba no a ono no 9 months oda ne ye mu no e ka so ohine se wocha akura ni mu a enipa nkwa ne ahwere eti sa na te de wo de o se ne ba fama no
Akoma FM.
Look at no test on me no because ba kuna na nye ne ba no wo se ye nkono because oni badaye already okune de eti wo se ye nkono de ne ba no se da bi sabe wo da okura ma ni kunu da no so kura bu mpa no bu atopa no enye easy o so ti ase se de no ofiliye wan fili ojigu ne ho ena o de wo ye o se da bi 9 months awo enye easy etu de ye ma akura ne ntra se enye hwe kura no onyi na se ne mu mia yebetumi asoma ne bi on se da bi akura ne odia divine wisdom it is a John judge ne de no me hu ne se divine wisdom will apply uremu ye and of course somewhere in the judgment or kind akura ne throne so hey be affect akura no so munko fi na munko ka there be a court ye camera ye nka no kore so until sometime bi wo ho a ye be camera bi na mra no doesn't make sense na enyansa nim sabe
ana one ne nyaadwe
ana bia one ne nyaadwe no sometimes ruling be free court ba mra no de sa na e kan but ruling no doesn't make sense but look at this particular ruling now you may challenge them but the ruling makes a lot of sense it is divine wisdom and a judge in the man tie mo na baso so they say say John e ho me wie yes
okay
bia na menua beba ma menua mremo na menko menye interview sisi a e won crime ra why ti udi ma menua nwi
ano so na ide
facha me
brad nyangopo ano so na ide za ku kan za na ide
Sir John facha na eka ejuma no
pija microphone na de wo de chuchaje no why
o de bi we de se me ejuma ya o ye meti ase
na no so ye kan
say o se o mu se o nwane o around Sir John no pede
aden so na Marfo so watch you mo bizam say watch
me ko see me wife
oh okay
say nsuo na turn into na o say me de no ko ejuma man sa na me nso ma ba
kasi bi nsuo yiri wo ho
da bi bebi a mete ne de ye ne flooding eni ye eni asa da bi na say bebi a mete de e na flooding ba ho
bebi a tin de
ajuma bi ba ebetime ise bi o ma bi me ba na me bedu ana unja na ga janche it me flooding nti me du ona a flooded there me park car no me mfa car ne mfam but ne ye bibia ye kama and ama weather but nso no etwa nti obi ansori nko edwuma nso kra nye
okan justification by night kra de na te kra
by ye kra no ye sorry I pese e kwa abochi se suno wonim se emu eden si nsu but amanfo fem ekọ edwuma ade nsu to ba ku bie no ana obi a de aye case but me hu se o amanfo wunam kwan no a obi a hye ne wrong coat kama
is it there nti un se sa season nti mi na be so
omo a se John me bi a me fire na me ora ho kakra ba me nim se nsu no by now omo omudi dwaye ma menom ne ye sister for say you omuti nsuo nim na
mama say me ganjro say we jealous obi time so na so ahmaji aba obi time so o ka je
even na say John okay aka kra na abo 8 reporting time ye 8 na say o report 8 na 7:48 un free fee say na obele
Omeba. Nti Samuel Oliver Kobina on Facebook. Evans oba asa gobe o kan ho asem. Omo #justice for gobe eaters association.
Evans gobe nyana.
Okay, do kan one kase gobe nya.
Gobe dey on timi.
But o say ayi pe sikapa pe gobe too much. Aha. And Larry Sarah say ubenya gobe no wadi. Ajenkwa.
No kra ma ye mekwa akotobi o and the medibio queen soul
and the number now one no can say what heavy some me do a chair no drew has said
Sir John
teacher
the any student there no unse asemba wanya fact ni na mekai say ba na ye na no ye condemn the teacher ni fine still na no condemnable because was say utiminya some level of control kakra but was say in equal measure no so no ye condemn the nkwala na ye say you indiscipline level of indiscipline ye various senior schools ya jinsem ana jinsem krawi
actually fafri junior
for nso ye bio
share
omo de mentante omo nka
on tante
by senior for ne de and sa ade na ede bae no ma uye teacher ni akwale eye boni ama menso so ne so no e ka hu bi o ama esi akwa ne ye bibi na teacher ni o kan kra otimi ka se we amebo because onim se mumienu ko na asem ne ba public ye be condemn teacher no because na ehun ni say we pay na ya support fine and na make na say utimi nya some level of control na utimi handle certain things say however na me catch obi enra say your individual difference and obi ya asem obi ya ade eto me so maybe the way me respond and I me react na different from odi dey no ye ba na teacher ni na nya akwala egbu no not knowing sa akwane na di kan tubulo unze the way asem ne na ekono judge na nka say me say ohwe ebe affect omu mienu ina both teacher ne enya asem a say teacher no nko a na di fo a mra no ne ne bedi onse omu mienu ina edi fo a ka say ye de mra no be ye ejuma nka sa ebe affect omu e na akwala nso try exams enti do obe ne say we dey 50-50 but munko fie na munko resolve say they are no munko fie na munko resolve now going forward ne sa no ma we na yin so on say court case ne be drag ama na affect akwala no nso no the exams ana na disua me dem hu ni said o ye ne ye because ye time bia na mra no sometimes it me soften your stance kakra na ye use common sense e dey resolve bibi they don't say even in law even boni kra udi a yetimi hwe ade a provoke ma udi sa boni na circumstance a lead to sa boni no eno na ye gina so e dey punishment eba enti say judge na etimi ehun say okay well mra no ho but we dey ma me use common sense and the be ya affect akwala no nso adusua na exam sa me hu ni say is the way to go and no I mean say bi mo ka say there be ya assault nti ma yen ka say omo nko tinefie even assault kra no mutimi ye ADR mutimi yi kofie ekor because e jo me na wa abo me e na me di case na ba na later me hu ni say okay betimi yi fie akọ eno no ye different between eno ne crime aye the state who say or crime bi or even though una di edu but ebe dani state no ku bibi ti say rape bibi ti say murder mo na enu enu even though say una edidi ukra na ebe dani state no ku nti eye corporate no versus the state enti enu ntimi nka say me yi akofie a me call resolve enti those ones oba when dey etimi kofie ekosietie ama bibi a etimi ko but yen kan chen kwala omumma discipline no enwo omumu ena teacher for no nso ye kan e o se omu nso na etimi tu omufu because John se akwala nso ebe na adwene se oni teacher ebe face no eno nso e wo question marks bi e ya e da ho because people kept asking then na student oba kra obe decide say oni teacher ebeku na chere se bibi o
ke dwane pachew dwane na wo pachew
na me ti se kola ba ko kan titi no ampo o se udi boni wo fie kra efie na wo di boni yetimi ka chere se bebo o teacher amane na chere se wo discipline na nso ende de awofo na akra na eko school ho me cousin ba ko na no be 3 months ago ye di sala ketwa no unse nkwala na nko school for some time nti later omu resume ye no ye ofie na omu bai mienu ma ntafo bai ena omu be tre mark omu teacher no abu omu se omu am school na the ma papa ni bufu ye no say akwa no akwa ketwa no ka kire papa ni say teacher ni say wo mini no enti ene de mi uni say wrong because as teacher akwa no ya de na enya wo the discipline e me dem any problem but for you to utter certain words akwa ketwa say wo ka say 1 minute no na kire say over say you me pie me ko ba na papa no na yi kiki omu ko teacher no ena me si munya abetre yeah, you be go school lodge complain officially. I'm on school authorities, but an interested teacher no he may be wrong, he may be right because say ko tie the ono so akwala you sometimes one sha obeti me twan try to teach and so obeti ma ban you say no kra e o say reporting ma authorities no mo so e di ejuma eventually na the akwane kan ne ye no kra ko school enti headmaster no kra had to intervene Emma omu be patch or say NC bio and me won say no no a better step than say o ka say o de mra na show nsana akwa no because say wa report no what the teacher na echi e wo fie na school na wa kobo na ne de e no yen so sa de no so because the moment a wo be yes sa de no even say the akwa ne kan no e ye ne kura o chine bi no say o san ye de enye na teacher bi a discipline na one sure obeba be try and throw say na no kra me ko kan me papa etimi ko deal with teacher no
but kwara no timi ka kra nsa na papa na bo am papa be ba ha china do bo beto share Ibrahim ehu
enti nkwala ne awofo nde bia ye kan when issues like this come ye share say free ye per se ye tackle all aspects because awofo nso play critical role I was an normal way na efie discipline share say wo fie say efie no mama akola na ehu say ade we nye wo ye we ya ye be punish you and consequence nie na wo so akola no so to certain extent a wo ko school the same ade na na obekọ akoy and then no obi ka no teacher ni bi on so a on pe na asem o ya
no be here o
say mama nja say wo be school ni de wo be wi akọ wo wi a
utomo ebe yu
we are whatever eyibi a obekọ no oni wa wofo ase but eno nso no dangerous because nipa no produce no society ni mu eni antinitini ni ye na obeye no ma bi a ensem fata so John we all suffer from all these things enti me de eno akọt no nsem na ye because wa abo ha and our teacher for no nso no abotua aba akwa no nso no me gidi yese me be going forward no adwen setra beba send the be ya sa no ma we no ye nkohu bi because say John enya fe say ube un video na student ni teacher eda form eko
right me da say say ba kono me de bi to so na ya de so ntimi nyi akwada bi okuta
say John enu video no kanka me try send o because me send there be discuss you
okuta we
our class o
they send mpokua
look at the crop of look at the crop of nkwala teacher for ehun amano say John sometimes when you look at some of these things you say na nkwala no efie say suban o mu di free na o mu besua na school because everyone mu sua na school because peer pressure
akwara no de no
hwe o de ye be ma no na
de si wo nyine hin ese ma me beduru afei ne eka se ne ho afo
obi
wa
obi wa ma me no papa na
se ne ba no ye sa de no
because
and I'm sure say can na ma sa court ni say ni nyina nti
nti wo hwe amu nyina ka ho asem intervene both akola ni parents
e bia na wo mu sua reproductive system
na wo sua we sa video hwe ni female male colleague a wote ne nche now provoke ni
yeah there no what the so what the chin pokue so sa Watch us say.
You video me say. Me share me say. Class. And I try the video. Who pa say can. And she's okay with that. Hey, John, I quite say you teach in crowd be dey.
Yeah, be now cry no. Who teach anyone show so.
One show.
You see, I like this approach. So who year educational diploma. The man we psychology.
Very important.
Who year degree or psychology. Masters. Me sure so be psychology.
Education.
And you see,
field beyond.
Yes, I was thinking yeah, be shape because yeah, environment you know. Because it's volatile. Share.
Oh, me, madam for teaching me. I have a complaint. Was see when you teaching here, especially at the senior high level. Now, when you be a osho, your teacher for monano. Only the one that and I yo
upper senior higher coach.
Edi free fear na through on me PS almost ya. Who teaching you know two baby no. Na akwane bejejo. But you also need know we teaching you know so say part of code of conduct. Nti also ultimate share so no matter the level of temptation. When I was say woman who the right thing. And teacher for no so no. I was say ultimate comport to a level akwano krano. Obefo say even at the tertiary level now yes you obi aye matured no as an normal way be etimi koso a ene de eye normal no your lecture be as a John the whole school man o ti sen we gangali asen na e bo lecture ni dia obeka say we dia mintimi mfa me nkwasi asem say bi o me nonsense nkone so your level lecture be a wontim say and our lecture being so or your soft kakra which means oh me de kwa maybe me succeed ebi on so I mean succeed but o carry on we enka say yeah too rigid to the extent say as a student bi kra no e wo complain bi ana o issue bi a wontimi ma wonche but be firm so na hu ni say e wo say wotimi ma students hu say me ye free wo betimi de wo issues aba ama ya address wo betimi aba wonti ase a metre wade but line way dear
cross it
untimi cross and no boama yetimi ye bi
that's pa Samuel Oliver Kobna and when you any justice for go before
you say man condemn go be and then ono cry de no be kwa akodi
said no ma men cancer when chiro na ehfa na azo koye no wan go bi otu ka baby to room baby
ahojuo baby na okoto
baby a we call na
mo na say go baby you see my mama dey dey say go be me
because say boys na dwa ha o
na bi obi
boys na dwa ho pa I say someone say ban gobe and Third World War will start here in Ghana. Come on,
go Charlie.
Okay, indeed. Yes, Grandpa Zoma, come on, see Ibrahim. Said yeah, Okasa no. In fact, just say one kasa to my control near Makamapa. Or say the teacher, student, but thumbs up to yes, the course will be an end, but the justice I say now.
Oh yes,
come near them. Now see areas so intervention areas so they buy or confront to the end so.
Oh yes, a year across so in Pija no exalting.
No, I confront
justice here.
Yes, you rapping and everything account.
Baby, no be sad you know who say ya kwense.
You rap across ni how.
They say Ankasa
Canada.
They say Ankasa no dey aye no. Is it no ya hemfo no na ye besre. Say omo na aka. Omo na aka.
Ebi susu din ye.
Na make us omo na aka. Politicians na omo disappoint here.
Oh yes. Sir John.
Omo disappoint here.
No krenya we enye honhom na yi akiro.
Enye honam ani.
Debe we honhom na yi akiro no. Oh yes, wisdom. Divine wisdom.
Divine wisdom. No. Nana Jima say, snow and rain are different. I don't can snow once.
Me come see snow. Grano. Hey, now okay say rain no. You say we no the way I to when the storm woman obeka say wontimi mfe. But snow no e be heavy o. E be okra kaka etimi. Benzo say ehwe awon enti say obi for snow mu akwa. Say nsuo no there's a storm woman there ne there. Enya advice even for driving enya advice. But say nsuo peti say na dama wade fie no.
Well, I don't know. As Rogers is also on Evans here, wisdom is the ultimate in our daily lives. We need it in our lives.
Akoma FM.
There Dominic also said John Pachopa teacher for bro. Our phone. But I said Kwarana my mobile news. Okudro news say ye ne bay. He say not to no na sem na ba. Ti no crack ho bi na me sure so mukozu o you crack. Bless young or say massa. You're talking too much. Just go straight to the point. Evans Walker. Evans. Evans, wow.
What's a midday foundation? A very important
foundation.
Foundation. I was having a book profile. So what's a book profile? Some Malay foundation.
Eric Nana, Eric, I can see if you saw here frequently. And I say, can you see so no? Bridges never campus no. They are flooded. So I report a mean no pay. I don't know.
Because say you know, enye you. E shall be 12.
I was 12 something.
After 7.
Okay.
Now intensity no midnight no enye easy.
Yeah. No.
Intina me slow flooding near. But
so far
just pray and hope say.
Baby I yeah, what's up like 059887 448 0598 704. The same. Or that I say pass yes, my mind Ghana. In fact, service to God.
Yes.
And Egusu you know. Alex Opokwenchu say, hey, abaya no no ho den o. Just say ade no nko ya kra ma teacher ni kra no magu ase. And Kwadwo Antwi also afeme Kwadwo that sisa no pe wuti e. Frimpop Boatins say good morning Sir John, me show free sabro no. Emum. Evans mam Evans chi. Evans. Is when your fan base. No fan base no something. But won't mean ko. Oh, you no. I don't know. Nana mo hwe na pa. Na public bro. Ebi osori na sabronum asase na sabro oh ade a wo ye de baye wo no ba fi bantem o se oda minority for na se pa se omo anamo mu tu ye no do ma se Evelyn ya so hwe fi UK Evelyn se bibia bokọ de you ono e celebrity ono omo book na e kofa be kan no nkora na se mu si book teacher for pa so ye be kan wa ha ne se bi o se nana Ajima say, yes, I am working from the house today. Please.
India. Nanajima. Because
Ericana.
Nanajima.
And say, but you can work from home. But if you are to say, I was saying, but they ubet me actually fear and they ubet me, but they also called it. I was always
Nana on another draw attention to something. Nana, I was in flyer no. I would say a problem there. That's it. Yeah, Evans.
Sir John, before say me you know a foreign ya keka hono. Kokwada so. SB team. Your friend is saying we know what they kokwada so jomo hono. What they kokwada so jomo hono. Ufin pa so ufin suom okofa ada say okofa anapas na say abefa abekrum anase bi abi wura kwada so dwom nana me the video ne to ho obini awadaroma Sir John utemre meka kwan ho na se ho na e kire o Sir John see the white death trap ibi a white death trap and then aka be se me jaba de ya so no ye na no paint na mintimi nina yes, number 7 year, but me shambo this week ya me aba. And then I say you see I'm here I be made baba. You see the point is that you say crowd here I'm at traffic a share but I no pay say nsuo no eto na nipa be bring pm free fie no a say you na na terrible enra metwamu ekofa silium ho and I mean na me kokwada so but me twem ko fa celium ho area ho so junction Sir John enye into and na me kono na me twa ahia so yes into the over here bia the manenko it's young it me drew her say no na so to so now so funny say na wo no so also ko run say I'm not da ho no I'm na donko chembe muda triangle we play kura fa ho bitom play bermuda say John Bonne ben yaye entiasibe on minim say so for a project nankasa no IGF ho sense bibri on mfa ayi keke just anwe bi ne ne fa nwu ho keke na eho nyi mu trouble we nya adwuma bia asibe minya asibe honorable Mr. so for ade no kwada so jomanda pass wo no ase ho no so for ho one boys nim bi mfa eyi anwea bitumi kitwe bi mfa nwu okra keke na nyi mu trouble anya sa John eho break ya on hwe ti se eho no beye eho be close untimi mfa ho biu ti se enyina ekofa Sirium Junction it imagine say bia Sir John ufri anaibi ufri krom ana ufri bia nsu ana adoato kra na obesan kokwada su ana akokrom yes me rock of Sirium Junction okra sa intersection on kra so ya no ensko boy boachi bidin enti ase ho de boy pa kacha no asibe asibe minyu asibe me say hono and ye fence kwada so yes honorable asibe no ya bonini he yo honorable asibe unua na ekase bansimkum ye nyina kwada so bola kesim adehye so ho nka se krokro no dem krokro no eti misrawo sa hono onim sa ekwan na tutu wo ayi kwada so market hono bridge na wo hono so full line de no momo nkohwe no munye sisi na no den enye kra so asibe kwada so bola kesim de hye unua kwada so bola kesim na ekase misrawo momo nya na nimanimu ya anya sa yewu se ayi abi se traffic pa edro no pa be 6 wọ́n sẹ́ yẹ ọ̀hún 6 year peak time ẹ̀yẹ́ yìí so ibi ẹnu a traffic permit say etime ọ̀hún ẹ̀bẹ̀ chia
u slow
down na o ti maneuver busy stretch ibi eti yẹ sẹ́ de ẹ̀yẹ́ kura ẹ̀yẹ́ so yẹ ẹ̀yẹ́ kura ẹ̀na safo jẹ̀mfi ọ̀soso safo jẹ̀mfi ẹni mu ọ̀soso ibi ẹnu so kwan na tutu ẹ̀yẹ́ kura wọ́n mo fa bibi ẹnfa so kakrama ẹni ẹ̀yẹ́ mo trouble because ọ̀hún no so Sir John IB ehona kwaye detour a chese ebi a main road obi beso be fa na so bi kura free ebi atano so sunyane kura na eba na oba junction on ha no ho me fa so fly obewura mu o Sirium ho be fa safo jamfie ni mu akofa adoato on na ekọ no eti se ho kwa na so yenye ma bre kura
wa bre
minye die bi
wo be bre wo kroma
Sir John ade
so tu wo di se utu
enya adwuma bia don that's ade we no eye odi ehon kra kakra nya se bia afi na kwan wo betutu kwan nyina o eho kakra bia minyi ni sa ade we 20,000
mapani na no wo de let be by say nka awards nka ma wo appointees we do adaroma Akoma FM ya nka se be se yibi ye de credible why
yeah
the Ghana for the omo Canada
won ko to table bia
yeah dem crowd wo ye betim dia brew ana yem from Evans yem from ana
yeah
because some of this is be yeah how na start here
yeah MMD
ebi mu ye adwuma pa but ebi mu so wo ho a wo mu nya so mbe hu hwe asibe nya me mfa nkoto
87.9 Kumasi
asibe enya me mfa nkoto sa ade ni and one of the hardworking MCs
yes
Honorable Joseph Amankwa yene no wo nkonyasie
anyway bia
wa bedru kra wa so no ne bread on fa nia wo ye so ye teacher ni won fa ne bread ni agro
adan se we born abaso ayi ye ba se be kan na ayi no be kan adwuma wa ye me dem say me dem di twa ne salute eye sa bridge na wa ye
ayi de no Oh yeah.
Friday. Louis Junction, Louis Ajimai.
Junction.
Junction hono. So they say. Why are they?
Inti yes. Or buy any bidi home komo. Inti asibe.
Ode friend kwada so boda kesi. Eric Asibi. Kwada so boda kesi on this year. So yeah what na energy dey.
Yeah kan be frɛ. But the kan no so ye nsuro ne ye kan. Ade no me mu hu. E say na ono kra so for life for wa sheda abo ha be chia mo. So for life hono name you know what that. What said ade ye mehwim.
Also timi ko chia. Won ko chia dey also timi ko chia.
Ko da bia mo bodin say na say bye na o mehwe o.
You say no e hona kwada so economy na ko gina.
Oh yes.
Kwada so economy no. Ho pa so omo be apart from property to be omo be nya revenue kese pa ye ho.
Jewie kwada so bola kesiem.
Yes.
No obo number saying.
Asibe kra time no Saturday omo do no me brafo. You can use Obama Washington or someone you want to beat me actually. But Saturday I be brafo. Ai. Yeah ko bocketing reason na no my boy.
We have no be defend.
Match na ankasa yes.
Enti chief yasremo a ni ma bi say de ba mama mo hwan ha. Oh we mu tata mu kakra bi amagye mo fans. Na mo kro no.
Yeah.
Oh na ma za. Oh. Unim.
Yes.
Production say
ai
ye be ye aferi no. But you opoma so chia wo.
Me chia ne pa me gene so.
O se me kan jo so chia wo na.
Me gene so pa yes.
Nti no asibedi no kan ye no hu za wo kan.
Maka.
Nti kan ye.
Maka.
Send ya ye. On the opoma de so nim no.
We bad pa. We bad pa.
BBC for no ye nyomo nkomo no mfiri ho. Because consistently last time omo ba ha ma ye no mo kasai. Almost a day.
Sir John. And your mo can say see a PBC
egu ana egu.
Say company reading that so 100 there. Yan ka say egu. By egu because your workers are more than so ye djuma. And omo issue ni say omo kai o man pay and you say gidigidi. Say before election no and after so we ni no obe show omo boss say obe revival company. Unse de ntia omo say omo ntimi nja edwuma because we mo ahu omo workers no 27 months ye ntwa omo ka omo ye edwuma nti na me buso omo say na 27 ye ntwa o ka wo ye edwuma na ye de ena omo say omo ntimi nja because omo edwuma no eye omo sector na ye competitive unse omo to koko nti omo anto a obi be kwa akoto and ye to ma aban nti ama omo ntimi njan nkofie omo nso a omo ebi mu ye adwuma no omo wu because 27 months when ye permanent staff no na 27 months entwe omo ka and o casual workers no kra de omo twem 30 omo de na say 37 or so months omo nso entwe omo ka they see ade omo ka ni say ya resource omo sika yen release sika omo de bekto koko na ye ko appoint whoever say ye professor say ye expert so on be lead PBC as still now baby ejina na bejina and there are also other issues omo say bupe share bia eno nso no omo sika na edisi ye ba ye gie from nsem o hwe golden bean
golden bean yeah say omo
ni na ye PBC
eno na mama he time o ana mama he ayino na omo
sesi ano issues ne do so nti omo de omo kai o mampani say bo hye na wo hye omo no onhwe na ombe na yentimi revival PBC no mo nsambe unse za titi no mo na the largest produce buying company cocoa omo na to cocoa ne dodo na ba yesi ano sika eni ho sika omo de beto cocoa eni ho omo nso ye adwuma ye ntwe omo ka se adwo na ba nse ya na kire se
ma minisa nkomo imra
okay
ye ne nana kojo anane frimpong the second
okay
oye asaman akrofo so Akoma FM and oye PBC district manager go so ma meni ni nkomo na ye nti ase ye Nana wadaro mama chain.
Meju sir.
Bacho apomboko dear.
Nyame adom boko.
Anra mo ka mo nsɛm de nsɛm atodwa srema mpani sɛ ɔmra na ɔmedwitwa nyi PBC. Bacho dear na ɛkɔ so ankasa.
Yo, madam ase ene otiefo nyina. Se na edi kan no PBC a bank company. And then the state company in the country. If it's just here na PBC nkoa na the top one kwan so to koko efia for na yedema cocoa board. And sana actually IMF recommendation binti ye say yema company ahodo amra emeka ho na yen to koko ni free efia for farmer cocoa board. Enti as a bank company no the beer fiafo shi bia no asede ese to koko fi ho na efi be sensu ni na company no start say bafom ne for mo eba no eye empanifo na management decisions bi no ma omo take ye investment na omo sa hodo omo ye na start say ebi feel nti ma company start say bafom. Na problem ne say company no ebra IMF recommendation by no eba say omo ko autonomy I just say omo ko de omo even though a shaban no ye dia eno nti aban omo kwan say nka odisika e company no na company ntimi ye adwuma but from day one company no say was not capitalized jam fasika say equity say sika mo de yin fa ye adwuma ni enti bosia na aba management for ma ba nyina de ye adwuma enti du mre bi no investment ahodo bi o mo koye